Hey everyone, let's quickly make homemade high protein Pop Tarts today that'll remind you of your favorite Disney shows from childhood. Packing about 25 grams of protein per serving, these Pop Tarts are roll your eyes back good. They have a gluten free pastry crust, stuffed with dark chocolate, and finished with a sweet milk chocolate frosting. They have just 241 calories per serving, which you will enjoy surely. So let's quickly get started with the recipe. First is the dry ingredients:
coconut flour, oats flour, chocolate protein powder, yogurt, peanut butter. Combine to make a dough. So as you can see, a soft dough is ready. Now I'll simply roll the dough. Trim the sides. Now cut this into half. Add melted dark chocolate to this. Some chocolate chips. After adding the other half to it, I'll quickly prick the sides. Bake these chocolate Pop Tarts at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. So these Pop Tarts are baked. I'll top with melted dark chocolate.
So quickly top with some colorful sprinklers and refrigerate these Pop Tarts for just 30 minutes.
So as you can see, these Pop Tarts are ready. So these protein Pop Tarts are ready. Do give it a try, and if you have any questions, please mention in the comment box below so that I can answer it for you. Also, which next healthy dessert you want to see me making in this channel, please comment below. Thank you so much for your time. Do subscribe to my channel and have a great day.